Silver. I'm the Industry Director for Cannabis at Velosio. And Velosio is a Microsoft technology partner, and we focus on digital transformation.
Fantastic. Sara, when you talk about Velosio and what you guys do, you've mentioned digital transformation, what you guys are doing there.
Right.
Why digital transformation and what's so important about it?
Sure. Well, let's talk about a definition of it. I define digital transformation as optimizing business processes. In the cannabis industry in particular, we see these companies using all these disparate systems, and they have silos of information. People are entering data in all these different systems, and none of it's talking to each other. Then they have mountains of spreadsheets and maybe QuickBooks. As I like to say, it takes daily acts of heroism for these companies just to get accurate inventory numbers or product costing or performance metrics. So we think this industry is ripe for some digital transformation.
Absolutely. Daily acts of heroism.
Yeah.
I like that.
Is that good?
I like that. So how can Velosio help with that specifically? How do you guys pare this down?
Well, thanks. We have developed at Velosio a solution called SilverLeaf, which is an ERP solution for cannabis. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. That means we cover everything from cultivation, supply chain, processing, production, distribution, sales, and ultimately financials. So it's all in one system. We're built on the Microsoft Dynamics Business Central platform. So what we did is a little different than other companies. We took this world-class ERP solution and built cannabis functionality into it. So we've got Microsoft as the foundation. And we like to think it's the best of both worlds because you've got this strong financial back end that investors are going to want to know is a solid, secure platform, but with a cannabis-specific functionality.
Awesome. And why SilverLeaf and Velosio? What's the combination here?
Well, to start with, our team has decades of years of experience in both cannabis and ERP. We've been implementing ERP for years, and then we got into the cannabis industry about 7 years ago. So we've got great expertise. And then we're backed by the rest of Velosio. SilverLeaf is like a boutique within Velosio.
Yeah.
And the Velosio team of over 400 professionals is able to provide us support in areas like AI, cloud, Microsoft Office, the rest of the technology stack.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so we like to think that SilverLeaf is the best of both worlds. We handle the regulatory compliance, we handle all the cannabis-specific functionality, the integration with state track and trace systems, but also we've got this strong back end that everyone wants to be sure that their company's running. No more daily acts of heroism anymore once you have our system.
That's awesome. The best of both worlds.
Yes, yeah.
Sara, when you think about the next big thing in technology for cannabis companies, what's it going to be?
Well, I think there'll be a lot more integration of platforms besides ours, but there'll be integration maybe with environmental controls. And I think we're going to see a lot with AI. AI is going to start helping these operators really improve their efficiency and come up with the next great thing.
Absolutely. If somebody wants to get in touch with SilverLeaf and learn more about you guys, where should they do that?
Well, they can reach out to me as silver@velosio.com or go to our website, which is www.silverleafcbc.com.
Fantastic. Sara, so impressed by what you guys are bringing to the industry.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see what happens next.
Thank you.
For
We're
joining
excited
us.
too. Thanks for having us.
Our pleasure.